Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the kitchen. It's finally done. It's like day and night the way it looked like before. But before we do that, let's take a trip down memory lane. I want you to see what it looked like before. Into the kitchen, take a deep breath because it's not pretty. Boom! This is the kitchen, and when I first started looking for properties, I was looking for like the pretty kitchens, but the pretty kitchens make you pay for those pretty kitchens. So as I started doing more research, and my realtor, she helped me out a lot. You want to get something that you get below market value, and those kind of properties are not pretty. They don't come with. All right, let's come on in. Ooh! I love this kitchen. This is my favorite part of the house. We put 6 recessed lighting. That wasn't actually part of the plan beforehand. We were actually gonna put 2 long flush mounts, I think that's what it's called. But I didn't think it was gonna give me as much light as I wanted. So I actually changed that idea and put 6 recessed lighting, and I'm so glad we did that just because it's so bright in here. Remember when we came in here the first time, we had that ugly brown paneling, and then we had the green tile floors. It was so ugly, but when I walked in this kitchen, I was so excited the very first time just because I knew the potential it had. It has a lot of space. You know, the family that moves in here, they could put a nice little table here, and then, or they could use this, you know, that room as a dining room. But let's get into the details because I spent under $10,000 for this kitchen. So as I mentioned in my previous video, the flooring for the entire house, this is luxury vinyl plank flooring that I got from Floors and Decor. And this flooring cost me $2,700 for 1,500 square feet. So the flooring for the home is 1,408 square feet. You always want to get a few more boxes just in case you have any damaged pieces. Let's get into the appliances. When I saw this range, I was so happy just because, look at this, it's such a beauty. I don't even have a 5 burner in my house. I love this thing. So this I got from Home Depot. Brand new. I actually got this hood from an appliance store local to me. I got this in Paramus, New Jersey. It cost me about 140 bucks. Now these cabinets are called shaker cabinets. I got them in white, which is less expensive. If you get into the colors like the grays or stuff like that, it starts to be a little bit more costly. The cabinets cost me $1,800. The handles I got from Home Depot. I think it cost me about $12 a pack, and it had like 4 in them. I'm not sure, but I'll put the details of that in there. Now this backsplash, these are subway tiles, as you know, and these are the same subway tiles we have in the bathroom. So I just bought a bulk box of that, and you know, I used it in the upstairs bathroom, and then I used the remaining here, so just to keep costs down. And I wanted to have a fresh look. At first I wanted to do some funky colors, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just make it a clean slate so whoever comes in here, they can add their pops of color and they can make it their own home. This is actually quartz. So as you guys know, at first I thought I was gonna get granite, but I really didn't like the pattern. So I ended up getting quartz countertop, and this countertop cost me around $1,000 to $1,100, including the sink. The sink came along with that, so I'm really happy about that. Fountain, I got this from Home Depot. It's one of those extendable ones that you could use as a pot filler. This dishwasher, I got this along with the hood from that local appliance store I had. I think this dishwasher cost me around $400. And this refrigerator I got at Home Depot. So the refrigerator along all the appliances together cost me around $2,200. I'm not sure, but it's a little bit over $2,000. So that's where we're at with the cost. Now this is going to be going up soon. In order to get a certificate of occupancy, you need to have a fire extinguisher next to the kitchen, but also next to the exit. So I plan on just putting this up right here or right here. I'll find a place to hook it up, but you need this in your home to make it safe. And that's it for the kitchen tour. I hope you guys like it. I love the way it came out. I posted some pictures on my social media and I got so much good feedback. I honestly wish I could move into this house, but it's about an hour and 20 minutes from me, so it's too far. But now I'm trying to convince my husband that we need to fix our kitchen and make it look a little bit more like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!